Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. This is our workshop. So today I will invite you to walk around. Okay, let's go. On the left is our spare parts storage area. This is for the bucket elevator, the main body. Okay, let's go. And you can see here is the rim beam for supporting the whole bottom silos. Actually, our factory has over 20 years manufacturing experience in the silo program. We have export over 75 countries, and we have served more than 100 enterprises. Okay, let's go. This is a mobile cleaning devices to make the pre-cleaning before the grass into the silos. You can see our workshop is very neat and clean, and all of the spare parts are in the order. This is the fine blower. You see the fine blower. We adopt the Chinese advanced motors because the quality is our culture. Let's go. Oh, this one is the temperature monitoring lines inside of the silo. You can monitor the temperature every time you wanna see, and once the temperature is higher, we can turn on the cooling system. The cooling system, that is the main body, one of the body of the cooling system over there. And please look left. Here are the steel parts for the silo body. All of the silo bodies will adopt the hot galvanized steel for every piece, and our material can use for over 25 years. Even we can make it for 50 years of the using life. You can feel the thickness. We have different thickness for the steel. We have 2 to 10, and even bigger and even larger the steel. This part is for the American customer. They booked, they order the garbage recycling from us. This is what we do for the customer. And this is the bucket elevator body for Philippines customers, already for shipping. We are really waiting for the cargo's car. You see, our spare parts are packed in order. Very neat. This area is for the painting. You can come with us. We paint every part to meet the customer requirements. You can see the colors, and that is for waiting for drying. Yeah, let's go. Protect the grains quality and enhance your profits. This is our slogan, and we are contribute to this aim all the time. This part is the bucket elevator in the bottom, and this is the head of the bucket elevator. Okay. Even though it's breaking time, some of our hardworking workers are still working. You can see. Our mechanical machine. Every unit we buy is the Chinese advanced machine. On the top level. We concern every part of the silo, and we have the special QC system for every machine and every part, because the quality is the foundation of the enterprise, and we are always to keep it advanced. Yeah. You can see here is our warehouse for storing the raw material or galvanized steel. Every point we cooperate with is the Chinese famous steel corporation factory, Anshan Steel. Till now, we have finished our Nigeria, Korea, and Philippines customer silos, and other orders are on the way. You can see we pack every part in the plastic package to keep it clean and neat. Our warehouse for the spare part. The bolts. You can see it's brand new. Bolt is galvanized, but for the main parts of, for the main body of the silo, we adopt the hot galvanized bolts, because these bolts can afford 8.8 earthquake level, and we even have the 10.8 earthquake level bolts. You see? So thanks for your time.